Hello team, in this video we are going to see how to perform the CKW formulation function, that is check weighing formulation in additive formulation firmware. So we have connected a TSC printer as well as a dot matrix printer with the Galaxy, and in the TSC printer we are getting single as well as summary report printed. So first we will start off by selecting the formulation type, for which we have to go to the settings, go to the user settings and select the CKW formulation in the formulation setting option. We have already added the recipe, so we will start a new batch and recall it. So first enter the batch number. I have already started two batch unlock permissions, so we will enter the data for it. Now we will recall the recipe. So right here we can see the cake is our recipe name, maida is our first ingredient name, and this is the low limit for it, target limit and high limit as well. Now we will start the weighment. So we can keep a bowl and we can press the tear button to tear it, and we have to pour the material up to the target limit. So once our target is reached, the display color is changed and we have to press the print key to log the data. So right here we can see we are getting both printer in action, and in this we can see this is our first recipe name, this is the ingredient name, this is the recipe code, these are the batch unlock permissions, this is our batch number, this is the net weight, tear weight and gross weight for the current weighment, and this is the set target limit. This is the first ingredient out of 4. So now we can lift up the whole, and again we are able to keep the bowl and tear it to add the second weighment. Second, as soon as the target limit is reached, we again press print key. Again we have to lift up the whole. So we got our second ingredient print. Right here we can see our third ingredient, whipped cream, and the target limit is also changed accordingly. Now we will perform the same process each time. We will tear it and pour the material and log the data. Again we will tear. So this is our last ingredient, so it will ask for to end the batch. Once the batch is ended, we will get the last ingredient printout as well as summary report from the TSC printer. So right here we can see this is our first ingredient. So this is our second ingredient, this is the third one, and this is our last ingredient. And this is the summary report for the same. So recipe name, code, batch number. Right here we can see the ingredient, all the ingredients, tear weight, net weight and gross weight for it. So these are our batch unlock permissions and fix unlock permissions, and Here we will get our total tare weight, net weight, gross weight, and these are the remarks. And right here we can see the dot matrix printer summary report, the header lines, our batch number. This is our code and fixed log and batch log permissions, the recipe name, code, as well as remarks. We are getting the start date, time, and these are the ingredient name. So this is our tare weight, the net weight and gross weight. And right here we can see the total tare weight, total net weight and gross weight for the same. So this is how we have performed the CKW formulation. Thank you.